mean by the word copy constructor? If I say copy constructor, what do you mean by copy? You have to answer. Copy. Constructor which is used to copy. What do you want to copy? Constructor which is used to copy. Copy what? Copy what? The question is. See my point again. See, try to apply your mind. Constructor which is used to copy. That's what I'm saying. You need to fill in the gap. Constructor which is used to copy. Fill in the gap. Here, एक कंस्ट्रक्टर ने ये बीजा कंस्ट्रक्टर माने एकदम सादा अगर खाली वर्ड एड करवानो constructor which is used to copy one object to another object. Are you getting my point? Constructor which is used to copy the member values of one object to another object. Copy the rules. We want to copy. So how to do that? We will be using the concept of passing object as an argument to the function. To do this task, we will be using the concept of passing object as an argument. Passing object as an argument to the function. Do you recall it? Yes, I have not shared the screen. Devansh. Recall that concept. Don't see me. Book na pages zero. Recall the concept of passing object as an argument to function. The same concept will be applied over here to understand copy constructor. Passing object as an argument to function. Your program, which program we discussed for the same? Complex. Addition of two complex numbers. You remember that? Yes or no? That is the thing what we are going to discuss. Okay. Now I am sharing my screen. So, moving with our same example, we discussed default constructor. What is default constructor?
So constructor with no argument.
Constructor with arguments. Fine. Now, copy constructor. Copy constructor is used to copy. Okay, from one object to another. Okay. So, say for example, I am having this C1. Just understand, today I am going to discuss 2 to 3 concepts in the same concept of copy constructor. Okay. Now, say for example, I am having this one object C1. What I want to do is, I want to copy this C1 to C2. I want to copy this C1 to C2. That means all the values of this C1 what are there should be copied to C2. That means C2 dot real should be 3. C2 dot imaginary should be 3. Is it fine? Yes or no? Okay. Okay, fine. So what I want to actually do over here is something like this. Complex C2 as an argument I want to pass C1. When I say now passing object as an argument to the constructor is a function. Function में object pass कर सकते हैं, तो why can't we pass it to the constructor? What I did? See, I did reverse engineering. I am going for bottom to top approach. I am not going from top to bottom. First, I did function calling part. See, constructor calling. Constructor declaration is pending. Constructor definition is pending. Generally, what we do? We first of all declare the function or constructor. But what I did over here, I called it directly. See in the void main, I called complex C2 in the bracket C1. Yes or no? So now you tell me how to declare this. How to declare this constructor. Who will declare something to this exam? How you define declare the functions? Function name, return type, and the parameters. Yes or no? But over here it is a constructor. So what should be the name of the function? Class name. So what is your class name? Complex. Where you need to write? Where you need to write? In this class itself? Yes or no? શું લખવું પડે? Complex. Name of the constructor. Then do we have return type for the constructor? No, constructor cannot return value. Yes or no? So no return type. So what is left out? Parameters, arguments. What is the argument? We already passed C1. What is the type of C1? What is the type of C1? Complex. So I need to write complex. My declaration is over.
Sir,
The face is like completely blank faces.
excuse me, sir.
Good day.
Excuse me, sir.
Demotivated. Am I discussing something complex or really tough? Sorry? तो कंस्ट्रक्ट करना क्या है? नो जापी शकूं એટલે આગે પહેલા નડે એક્ઝામ્પલ વિચાર બોક્સ માં કરું બોક્સ માં આપણે કરી આવશે. So as suggested, let's understand this example in of copy constructor in box. આમાં દેખે constructor લખ્યા જ નથી. Do you agree with this? Okay, let's go for the constructor in this program. પેલા એકવાર program જોઈ લો. Array use કર્યું છે. So I need to change this. Code I am commenting, or let me delete this code. Hello, is it fine? So I am removing this. Okay, generally what we do, box B1, let's say 1, 2, 3, length, breadth and height. If I am passing it, so I need to write a constructor similar for that. So what I am writing, box integer L, comma integer B, comma integer H. And as I have declared, so what I need to do? I need to define the constructor. So let me write box scope resolution operator, box integer L, comma integer B, comma integer H. In this, what I need to do? Length equals to L, breadth equals to B, and height equals to H. Chalo. Which is this constructor right now? Right. Don't type. Parameterized. This is parameterized. Now I want to write, before writing this, let me demonstrate you one part. Now box B1 is created. Now I am writing box B1 dot volume and box B1 dot area. Let's check it out the output first. Is it fine? 1, 2, 3. So length is 1, breadth is 2, and height is 3. So volume is 6, area is 2. Is it fine? I'm not care about the problem. It is, respond. No problem with this. Okay. Now what I want to do is, I am having another object. I want to make another object, of class box, and I am giving name B2. But what I observe in this is that B2 is same as B1. If box एक dimension ना एक करता उदाहरण ना हो सके, so I want to copy the value from B1 to B2. Can I do that? Means programming should allow me to do this part, and that is what copy constructor will help you. So what I am doing is box B2 into the constructor B1. Someone will say, sir, you are saying it to be copy constructor, but don't you think that it is similar to passing an object as an argument to the constructor? So the parameterized is not given. Copy constructor can also be termed as parameterized constructor. C++ has given this name separately, but if you discuss with Java, when you learn Java, there is nothing like copy constructor, but still you can do this. They are coming it to be parameterized only. I want to do something similar to this, box B2 in bracket B1. What can I do? Now for this I need to do some logic. This is the constructor calling part. Constructor declaration definition is pending, no? Yes or no? So simple. See, it's very simple. What I am doing is I need to write the constructor. So if I write constructor, what is the method of writing constructor? What is the rule of writing constructor? Constructor is a special type of function with the same name, that of class. So can I say I need to write box? What I have passed to this C2? I want to pass V2, no? So what is the V2? Nothing. Sorry, V2. What is the type of B1? What is the type of B1? Box. Okay, wait. Hold everyone. Can I say I have passed this one to this of constructor? One. What is the type of this one? You are saying, what is the type of one? Integer. For passing one as an integer, what you did over here? You wrote over here integer L. Yes or no? So same way, what we are passing to this constructor? Can I say B1? What is the type of B1? Box. So I need to write a box. B1. B1. Done with this. Sir, B1 લખવું જરૂરી છે? ના, you can write simply B. નહીં લખો તો પણ ચાલશે. It will work. If you don't write, it's fine. અહીંયા LBH ના લખો હોય તો ચાલે. In declaration, it is fine. In definition, you need to write. So this is declaration done. Is it fine? Okay, so now what is left out? Function na ત્રણ part. What is the first part? Declaration, definition, calling. આપણે તો શું કર્યું? પહેલા શું કર્યું? calling કર્યું, પછી declaration અને પછી definition. તો definition લખવી છે. તો definition લખવી છે, બોલો. How to write a definition? આ જો એક constructor ની લખી છે. We have written the definition for one constructor. જેવું જ છે. Please try. Okay, what I should write? Pela simple. If I say definition, whatever is written over here should be copied simply. Should be copied. Is it fine? Along with that, you need to write the, let's say, write B. But what is left out? This constructor belongs to which class? Box. So I need to write box before this. How much lekha se? Box. What I need to use? હવે ડબલ કોલન નહીં, હવે નામ આપી દીધું છે. Scope resolution operator. Is it fine? Yes or no? But now I need to think of the logic. Sir, what will be writing in this constructor? What I said, what is the name of this constructor? Type of this constructor? Copy. That means we want to copy the value of one object to another object. That means, correct. Perfect. Can I write length is equals to length koni? Whose length? B1's length. Yes or no? No. This will be the length of B2 because we are calling constructor using B2. Length have I written anything in the object name? No. So this length belongs to B. Now I am writing B dot length. Now what about this B dot length? B1 means koi length? Sorry. B dot length means koi length? B1 because B1 ne આપણે B માં copy કર્યું. We copied B1 to B. And then we are using it, B dot length. So copied the value of B1 length to B2 length. Similarly, can I write then see, I can do some restriction also. Out of these three members, મને એમ લાગે પ્રોગ્રામિંગ લેવલે કે કોઈ આનું અવરું થાય છે, કોઈ વાયુ થાય છે, એને મારે કોપી ન કરવું હોય તો I can skip it. So this is the flexibility given by copy constructor. Let's say, for example, I don't want to copy the height. I want to simply copy length and breadth. I can. It's not compulsory at all that all three members should be copied. It is based on your requirement. Is it fine? All of you. My job is done. My job is completely done. Simply, I'll be now calling E2 dot volume, E1 dot volume. Sorry. B2 dot volume. Sorry, area. Nice, jago છો. Can I write C out details of box 2? Can I write like this? Do you agree or not?
sir, બરાબર.
Thank you. So let me run this. મને ખબર છે. બધું બરાબર કર્યું, અહીંયા શું આ પ્રોબ્લેમ? एरर तो बताओ, सिंपली डिस्प्ले द एरर। કઈ નહીં સમજાયો, એરર બતાવીશ ને તોય ચાલો વાંચી લ્યો, બસ તમે એરર વાંચી લ્યો. The constructor box is not allowed. Constructor box is not allowed. The compiler also got confused because I'm talking box. Yes or no? આ બોક્સ કોના માટેનું છે? This box must not be class. એ તો લખવું જ પડશે. What about this box? Constructor. એ લખવું પડશે. What about this box? You don't think so. એ લખવું પડશે. Do you agree with this? All of you. With programming લખવું એટલે તો box થી problem છે. એ box થી problem. So do you think if you remove box? No. આ ત્રણેય બોક્સ કામના છે, ત્રણેયને સિમ્પ્લિફાઈ કરે છે. રાખવા એટલે એક્ચ્યુઅલી એરર આની કાંઈ રિલેટેડ નથી. I tell you there is no relation of error, actual error, with the displayed error. સોલ્યુશન તો મારી પાસે જ છે. એટલી તો મારી મોનોપોલી રહી. Okay. See the declaration and definition very carefully. I will not speak a single word. You observe it very carefully. Let me compile it.
Sir, call by reference.
Yes, near to the answer. The one who answered online, near to the answer, not the same answer. Let me run it. Oh, sorry, I forgot to write HCH. So it is there. Yes. See, details of box 2. I told you earlier in the lecture. Today we are going to discuss more than one concept in this copy constructor itself. This is one of them. Allow page one. Give the heading reference variable. Pointer name, this is different than pointer. Simply give the name reference variable. જે હું શીખવાડવાનો નથી. મેં ખાલી concept નું નામ આપી દીધું. You have to search it out on the internet or from the text. બંનેમાં available છે. You just search it out, the concept reference variable in C++. Don't search pointer variable. Both are completely different. It can be asked for 1 or 2 marks. Explain reference variable. Make it as a self-study topic. હું કાંઈક self-study આપીશ એટલે અઘરું નહીં હોય. અઘરું હશે એ મારું કરાવવાનું કામ. જે self-study આપવું એટલે એમાં એમ નહીં વિચારતા કે આ એક્ઝામમાં નહીં પૂછાય. So all of you please be careful. Whenever I say self-study, please note it down in the notebook. So reference variable is a self-study part. Okay. Again, repeating it very frequently. Don't mix up with the concept of pointer. Both are different. Okay, reference variable and pointer variable. Both are different. Okay, now over here it is a concept of reference variable. I have used ampersand into my code in only copy constructor. See this. In copy constructor, I have passed this reference variable by simply putting ampersand before the name of variable. તમારે એટલું જ યાદ રાખવાનું છે કે કોપી કન્સ્ટ્રક્ટર આવે એમાં જે નંબર પાસ કરો એને ડેફિનેશન માં વેરીએબલ ની આગળ એમ્પરસેન્ડ લખો. That becomes a copy constructor. If you will forget, એટલે જ મેં બાકી રાખ્યું એરર એટલે જ બતાવી દીધું. if you will forget ampersand in copy constructor, your marks will be deducted. મારા જેવો કોક હશે તો એ સીધો 0 માર્ક મૂકશે. બધુંય લખાતું લખ્યું હશે તો. Because ampersand is the important concept of copy constructor. Like symbol no marks take symbol. In exam if it has been asked, explain copy constructor. તમે બધું લખો, બધું સમજાવો. You explain everything in detail. You write an example. But if you forget to write ampersand, your marks are 0. Interview માં પણ આવું જ થાય છે બધાને. તમારા seniors who are there in 7th semester, please ask them who are in interview. એ લોકોને એવું જ થાય, સર હું તો ઇન્ટરવ્યુ માં બધા આન્સર આપી આવ્યો. I gave complete answers. All were correct. પણ એ આવી ભૂલ કરી આવતા. એને ખબર જ ના હોય કે આવી મોટી ભૂલ કરી. They forget ampersand. Not same example. In general, આવી silly mistake થઈ જાય. જેના કારણે બધા ઉપર પાણી પડે. પછી તમે એમ કહો સર મે ખાલી ampersand નો કર્યો એના તમે માર્ક આપી લેશો. It is important. Fine. And further, any doubts with copy constructor now? Please note down the program. Okay, one more thing before writing. One more concept. હું લખી નાખું છું. I am just noting down reference variable in this example. Is it fine? All of you? One thing more. Nobody has said this thing. Can I write two constructors in a single class? લખી શકતા હો તો રન કરો તે પ્રોગ્રામ. ચાલો લખી શકાય છે. One is which type of constructor? Parameterized. And second is copy. So sir, default पे लखी नाखिए तो can we write? શું કામ નહીં? Sir, in a single class, all three types of constructors we can write? Yes, we can.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I am writing this default. Let me define default. So box. What I will write in default? Length equals to 0, breadth equals to 0, and height equals to 0. Now my point is, what is this termed as? Think you are knowing this concept. You all know this concept. What is constructor?
Sir, can you repeat the question?
Definition macho. One and all. Definition is not on my face. Special type of function. તરત જ recollect થવું જોઈએ. Function with the same name, but with different arguments.
Method overloading.
Exactly.
Method overloading.
Function overloading. યાદ કરો. તમે બહુ પહેલા ભણાવી દીધી. હવે કેમ યાદ હોય? હું કહું છું. હું એમ કહું છું. મેં તો બહુ પહેલા ભણી લીધું. મારે બહુ ભણાવવાનું. બહુ આવડે. બોલો હવે શું આ થઈ ગયું? What is this? Function. પણ હવે આ ફંક્શન નથી. આને આપણે શું કહીએ છીએ? હવે શું કન્સેપ્ટ થઈ ગયો?
Constructor overloading.
Is it clear everyone? જો એક કન્સેપ્ટ આવડે એટલે બીજાના સાથે રિલેટેડ જ છે. Now you have to define constructor overloading. આજે કઈ થયું છે ને છે આજે મને આમ જોઈને આમ બાધાની જેમ મને જોડે છે. Is there anything on my face? કઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ તમારા ફેસ પર કે પ્રોબ્લેમ છે મને તો લાગે કે બહુ વધારે સ્ટ્રેસ છું ના સન્ડે મારા માટે નહોતો કરવા માટે ચાલુ અરે તમારા માટે તો હતો સન્ડે તો બધા એમ કહેવાય આમ મંદ થઈ બધા બેઠા બોલો તો રોજ જાગો બોલો define constructor overloading yes define function overloading book માં જોઈ બોલો મને જોઈને I have given you the definition of function overloading अच्छा should I open it my class is here should I open it see this is why I am asking you to write the notes in the class here's the answer I question bolo perfect bolo aapko bolo kaisa na bolo what same name ha to puru bolo function with the same name but with different arguments तो function की जगह constructor और कर रखो ना तो definition में बाकी है constructor with the same name but with different arguments is termed as constructor overloading so is it fine yes or no कितना concept क्या है कितना नहीं नाम बोलो object constructor reference variable which is a self study constructor overloading ये સર હવે હાઉ કરો તો સારું a concept is in front of you construct આ પૂરું બોલો મને અધૂરો અધૂરો ડિફોલ્ટ what default default concept આને શું default છે default concept વિધાઉટ આર્ગ્યુમેન્ટ બોલો 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 આવી કઈ ભણી ગયા છો ઓકે એ બુકમાં લખવાનો માનવ છે મને ઓનલાઈન પીપલ જાગે છે ઓનલાઈન લોકો જાગે છે કે બજારમાં નથી ને બજારમાં ન હોય તો આન્સર આપો ને આને શું કહેવાય આ સિલેક્ટ કર્યું છે ને similar concept we have understood we have learned in our past નજીક છો answer functions with default arguments to function with default arguments આને શું થયું constructor with default arguments do you agree with this જો બધું ફંક્શન માં છે બધું કન્સ્ટ્રક્ટર માં આવ્યું છે so what is the difference between function and constructor I can ask you in the exam differentiate between function and constructor function and constructor is no written type first point of difference second constructor's name should be same name that of class whereas function can be of any name do you agree with this two major difference between function and constructor rest everything is same function માં પણ function overloading છે constructor માં પણ constructor overloading છે so this is similarity functions have default arguments constructor has default arguments same thing yes no we can pass object to the functions same way we can pass object to the constructors almost similar, almost very similar. Is it fine? Everyone? Okay. Sir, if I write this like this way, then if I don't pass the value 3, what will be taken? What will be taken as height? 50. Let's see. Is it fine? 50. 1 into 2 into 50. Is it clear? All of you? Still one more thing. મને આ સમજાવો છે પાછું. What is this? What you have written over here? Box B2 in the bracket B1. What is the meaning? B1 object we want to copy into B2. We want to copy. Suppose if I ask you to copy the value of integer variable b to integer variable a to integer variable b, what you will write? ના સમજાણું sir. Suppose I am having some example, integer a is equals to 10 and I want to copy it to b. What should I write? Can I write b equals to a? Yes or no? Same way, whether I write this concept or I write b2 equals to b1, both are same. So now copy constructor can be written like this also as well as like this also. Both the statements are same. મેં પેલા બ્રેકેટ વાળું એટલે સમજાવ્યું કારણ કે આપણને ફંક્શન પાસિંગ ઓબ્જેક્ટ એઝ એન આર્ગ્યુમેન્ટ ટુ ફંક્શન આવડે છે. But ideal or practical way, whenever you refer the textbook, they will be writing box B2 equals to B1, which is nothing but copy constructor only. What do you think? Yes or no? I don't want to move further. Please write down this program, all of you. આખો પ્રોગ્રામ ફરીવાર લખવો જરૂરી છે. આખું બધું everything. Get function over get data કાઢી નાખો. I remove get data. Please write down this class box. જો તમને હજી એક વસ્તુ સમજાવી જોઈએ, કન્સ્ટ્રક્ટર હું કોમ્પ્લેક્સ ક્લાસમાં પણ લખી શકતો હતો અને ટાઈમમાં પણ સોરી આપણા બોક્સમાં પણ લખી શકું છું તો ટાઈમમાં પણ લખી શકું કન્સ્ટ્રક્ટર. Yes or no? Similarly, you can go for it. Exactly. Okay. ત્યાં પછી એવું કરી શકું 0 equals to 0 કરી શકું. That is that we can આપણી requirement. As per notice given on second Friday, all are supposed to come into uniform onto the campus. It is a strict instruction from the university. All should be in uniform, otherwise entry will not be permitted into the campus. Eye cards are compulsory. One thing. Secondly, in the lectures, all are requested to wear masks properly for your safety, not my safety. Corona નથી થયો, but still, your safety, you should wear the mask properly. Because બોલવાનું મારે છે, તમારે નથી. How many of you are from DC3? All are requested to write this program. The syllabus of mid semester, I already declared, repeatedly declaring the syllabus will be till destructors. Constructor is old way. This was all about constructors. Now there is one small topic remaining, that is destructor. Okay, that will be taking up in next lecture. All are supposed to write this complete program, complete. કાંઈ skip નથી કરવાનું ને કાંઈ dot 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 નથી કરવાના. What concept will be saying to this? Constructor with default arguments. I have started uploading videos of our lectures, recorded lectures, onto YouTube. You can refer it. For your class, it will be completed, uploading process will be completed by tomorrow. Okay, EC2 as well as EC3. EC2 have, I should say, 4 to 5 lectures have been uploaded. You can verify it onto your portal, or student portal, where you can check the links. How many of you have tried to open your textbooks? Yes, in online also it's fine. In online mode, some copy also. ये तो हमारा पता ना करता है, साथ में एक चीज. Have you checked textbook? Have you checked find page? Okay, ESR is available easily. Balakrishna is available easily onto the net. So which edition? Any edition will do for Balakrishna. Your textbook, huh? So, हमारे पास रेड कलर में वर्जन है, it's fine. विचार છે. તમારે આપણી સિસ્ટમ મારી પાસે 10 ઓબ્જેક્ટ છે. 10 એ 10 ક્લાસ છે. ક્લાસ ક્લાસમાં મારી પાસે 10 ઓબ્જેક્ટ બાકી દો. બરાબર 10 એ 10 ઓબ્જેક્ટના બોક્સની સાઈઝ ઠીક છે. તમારે એક એકની એન્ટર કરવી અથવા લેવી તો કોપી કરવાથી જાવ તો એટલા માટે જ સિસ્ટમ છે. આઉટ સોફ્ટવેરમાં રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ આવતી એ જરૂર પડે કે એક કોપી પેસ્ટ મારવું હોય આપણે ત્યાં આવું કરીએ. From now onwards, you try to observe the complete program. Now compare your C and C++ program. C++ માં આપણે બધું void main માં જ લખતા હતા. Void main બહુ મોટું બની જાય. Now check out this void main. Less number of lines are there in void main now. You getting this? Whenever you write the real-time program means कोई industry project में करता हो, software में काम करता हो, तो त्यारे void main में कोई कहीं लखे ज नहीं. Void main they make it as they write less number of lines as possible. અને જો તમે void main માં લખ્યું હોય as a fresher go into industry and write the void main, બરાબર છે, you are fired. Seriously also you are fired. You should not write everything in the void main. તમારું main logic void main માં ક્યારે ના આવે. Is there? All of you? So start having the practice of writing everything in class and functions. So I think today we stop here. Yes, Jeet, fourth edition will do. Please put your enrollment numbers in the chat box for your attendance. Today we stop here. TC2. 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 Anyone left out? TC3. 23, 7, 10, 12, 35, 21, 20, 18, 27, 22, 25, 5, 2, 15. You left out? Okay, thank you all of you. 13, 30. Is it fine? Okay.